Greetings, origami aficionados. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey into the realm of paper folding, where we'll master the art of crafting an origami crocodile. This magnificent creature, known for its powerful jaws and stealthy presence in the water, will come to life under your fingertips. Step into the wild, let's transform it. Simple sheet of paper into a fearsome crocodile. With each fold, you'll feel the excitement build as you see the crocodile's shape start to emerge. Unleash your inner artist, follow along as we guide you through each precise fold, each crease and each tug. You'll be amazed at how a flat piece of paper can evolve into a three-dimensional masterpiece. A snap of creativity, watch as the crocodile's snout takes form, ready to snap. The intricate folds for the teeth, and the powerful tail will require your utmost attention and dexterity. The final reveal as you complete the last fold. Take a moment to admire your work. You've just brought a paper crocodile to life. It's a testament to your skill and patience. Remember, origami is more than just folding paper, it's a way to express your creativity, to challenge yourself, and to create something extraordinary from the ordinary. So keep practicing, keep folding, and let your imagination run wild with each new creation. Thank you for joining us on this origami adventure. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share our channel for more captivating origami content. Until our next folding escapade, keep those papers creasing, and let the magic of origami inspire you.